Hello everyone, and welcome to another video for Mindful Eating. Today I'll be making a vegan crumble, and I'm going to be using some gluten-free flour, a bit of brown sugar. I've got some, now basically I'm not doing it in the oven. I'm doing it cheat way. Basically what I've got here at the minute, if I'll just quickly go around and show you, is that in the pot right now, if I'll just quickly show you what's going on. In a pot right now, I've got some mixed spice, some mixed berries, a bit of sugar. If you can see it right here. I'm going to let that reduce down into a syrup, a very basic syrup, and let that reduce down like that. And that will take maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, depending. If it's on a medium heat, if it's on a high heat, it'll juice even quicker. And over here, I will just show you very briefly, I have got in a pan, I'm just going to lightly toast the flour and the sugar. As you can see, the sugar, brown sugar, gluten-free flour and a bit of brown sugar. I'm going to lightly toast this. It's on a higher heat, so I'll just reduce it for a bit, leave it on 5 because we don't want it to reduce completely. I'm just going to let that lightly toast slightly, and then we're going to add it to the mixture on top. So I'm going to just let this reduce for a roughly 5 to 10 minutes, and once I've done that, then I'll show you the finished product. I just want to show you what I've done here. So basically all I've done, I've added some gluten-free flour in the pan. I've slightly toasted it, as you can see here from the heat here. And as you can see, it's toasted lightly with the brown sugar. Brown sugar would be better to use with this, and it does look slightly toasted. So I put it on a medium heat, a bit of brown sugar, oats, and if you want to add cinnamon, feel free to do that. So we're just going to let that, just going to show you here, there you are, just like that. And then we're going to leave it to the side so it doesn't toast anymore. But it looks fine anyway from what I'm seeing here, that it's toasted very well. And if you don't want to use brown sugar, I'm quite sure you can use coconut sugar. I don't know if the melting consistency would be the same in terms of getting this type of texture, but I would say test and see what works best. And then we're going to let the crumble base melt a bit more, reduce a bit more, and then I'll show you the finished product. You have it. This is our crumble. There you are. I basically showed you what it looks like. So basically, as you can see, this is the toasted mixture on top. You've got your, like I said, I toasted it over the stove. It's very possible to do this. Now you can have it a bit runny like this or a bit more dry. It's totally up to you. But this is another cheap way of doing crumble. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today with Mindful Eating. I'll give you all the ingredients in the description box link. And thank you for watching, and good morning to you.